Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Destiny and we are here to set up in my Plum paper vertical priorities planner. We are on a mission to pre-plan 2 months worth of content before my husband leaves so that I do not miss a beat on my YouTube channel and everything stays up to date. I just now finished filming the dashboard August 11th to the 17th, and now we are here to set up for my Plum paper vertical priorities for August 18th, excuse me, 18th to the 24th. So we will do a quick flip until we get to that day. All of these spreads are pretty basic because I am in my functional planning era, because I just feel like that is going to be the wisest decision to make while my husband is away. So here we are, 18th to the 24th. Was that right? I already forgot. Yep, 18th to the 24th. Okay, so here we are. As always, I'm going to take this page off right here just so I don't have to flip back and forth like a madman. And we are ready to get into the setup. So I have a cleaning section at the top that is generally always going to be the same. I have a schedule to keep everything clean, and then I have a task for every single week that is different to focus on a deep cleaning action each week. Am I going to get to it? I don't know. I have a toddler and a small baby, so I don't know if all of this is going to happen, but I do like to have it mapped out. And then here it is English, please enter my brain now. Okay, and then this one says top 3, and this is actually where I put my content. So I try to upload on YouTube. That's why I'm pre-planning 2 months worth of content so that I don't miss a beat with y'all. But I do also have a TikTok, and I mean, I'm not making it a focus to keep TikTok updated. My main focus was keeping YouTube updated, but if I am able to put out some TikTok content, I will plan it in on the top 3 section. And then I always break down the deep cleaning tasks for the scheduled area on my weekly spread, and then I have a self-care spread and an order spread, and then I normally have 2 extra blocks if I want to put anything. So if I have an appointment, I can make highlight of that. Really anything. Like right here, I had an appointment, and then on this current week, I actually took up all of the spreads. Hold on, sorry, get all my stickers if I can grab them. I actually took up all of the spreads because I added these 2 checklists to make sure I'm filming all of my content ahead, and it actually ran into the next week as well. I have listed when my husband leaves. So the bottom section is kind of a free-for-all. Whatever I need that week is what I put in. So that is what we are working with in my little functional planner, but I do always make sure to sneak in a sticker, and then I put my verse up at the top. So let's go ahead and get started. I chose for my Tombow of the week, it is 993, and then I'm going to use like this Cityscape TCMC washi, which I never mentioned to you guys. I'm shocked. But in my attempt to try to get my spending under control, it was such a sad day, such a sad day. But TCMC had her birthday sale in June. I didn't buy anything. I actually unsubscribed to all of my subscription boxes. And I have not been getting anything from TCMC, and that was such a hard thing to do. But I'm gonna be okay. I've survived. I didn't get any of the new washi that came out in June, and I am no longer subscribed to the sub box, which is really upsetting, but it is what I need, so I will survive. But now I am just trying to, I guess, make up for my lack. I don't really know. And so I've been using washi down here just so I can use the cute stuff that I did manage to get before I made the grown-up decision to end my subscriptions. So yeah, I don't think I ever mentioned that I did that. So I'm super proud of myself. It was very hard. It was a very hard decision to make because I love TCMC, as I'm sure all of you guys know here on the channel. And so the fact that I was strong enough to do that, strong enough or desperate enough, probably desperate. I was desperate to get, like, my money is not okay. So I was desperate, but still, I'm impressed that I was strong enough to do that. Okay, we're going to write in my cleaning tasks for each day up at the top, per usual. So we got bathrooms, bedrooms, and office. My toddler's room is so hard to keep clean because he is such a little booger. I go in there and I'll clean his room. Is my baby crying? I can't tell. But he is such a little booger. I'll go in there and I'll clean his room and it looks all nice. And then he'll say, okay, mommy, I'm going to go play in my room now. And I'm like, go for it. Yeah, play in your room, please. But his idea of playing in his room is destroy his room. So he'll take out every single one of his toys, strew them all across the room, all down the hallway, flood it into the living room, and then he starts breaking stuff. And then he'll come out and he's like, Mommy, my room's a mess. I can't play in there. I'm like, mm-mm. I am not cleaning your room 15 times a day, baby boy. So I cleaned it and you made a mess. So you can clean it now. Or you can just wait until Mommy gets the chance to come back and clean it again because we're not doing this, honey. Okay, so the last cleaning task was the living room. Let's see what the new deep cleaning task is for the 18th to the 24th. It is bathrooms. Okay, so I'm going to take my Tombow here and write bathrooms. But yeah, having children is literally just cleaning in circles around them. I have the Micron 08 that I am going to use to write the deep cleaning down. This time I'm just going to put it right here, right next to the highlighted section. Okay, and then I have a tab all the way at the front where they give you like these little sections. Whatever these are called, the ideas, plans, and goals spread, I used it to write down my deep cleaning tasks. So the focus is the bathrooms. So I'm going to write these little tasks right here. So we got grout and tile. Glass door and wash shower curtains. Toilet base and behind toilet. So one thing that writing toilet is reminding me of, in my son's bathroom, like, I don't know what the heck has gone on since potty training him, but his toilet is no longer stuck to the ground. Like, obviously it's still in there because there's like tubes and stuff like to drain the water and whatever. I don't know how a toilet works, but it's loose. Like, you can shake it and it's like not stuck to the ground anymore. And I'm just like, good heavens, like, why were you such, like, I don't know, like, why are you so aggressive getting potty trained and you broke the dang toilet? Like, it's no longer sealed to the floor. What the heck? So my husband's gonna have to figure that out whenever he gets home. I mean, he's home right now, but with how much I have to film, like 4 videos a day in order to try to hopefully hit my goal of recording 2 months worth of content in this month. So he's not really doing a lot of extra, but trying to help me by watching our small baby and putting him to nap while I am down here filming. So he's not really doing a whole lot unless we're both upstairs. We've been trying to clean and get the whole house completely cleaned and reset so that I can just hopefully maintain it once he has gone. Okay, so I have my self-care and my orders down. We need to find a sticker here, and then I'm going to write focus right here because I like to write the focus of my devotional for each week. So for July, it's motherhood. For August, I can't remember what it is. I have a lot of devotionals to choose from. And then we're going to choose a sticker. I have this little Moterm box that has all kinds of stickers in here. So we just kind of jungle through it. Excuse me? Jumble through it. Wait, what's the word I'm looking for? Jibble. Okay. Love them anyway. I like that one. Jungle through it. No, what's it called? Drivel. What? Shuffle through it. Maybe that's it. Oh, look. Okay, clearly this is the verse the Lord wants me to use because I've found it twice. We're going to use this big one. Oh, love them anyway. Okay. So I'm going to put that here, and then we will look at the verse of the day and see if that's what we want to write here. If I can get this one off. Got it. Okay. Love them anyway. All right, and then let's look quickly at the verse. Also, oh my gosh, guys, I could literally cry. So I know I'm filming this really far in advance, but again, it is July 18th. Yesterday, my phone made a notification, and I was like, what is that? And I looked at it. I made my first freaking Etsy order yesterday, and I almost cried. Like, I was in disbelief. I did not expect that. So Maria, if you are watching this, thank you so much. I don't even know how to express my gratitude and appreciation to you, but I could literally cry. You made my whole week. And then this morning I woke up and I got another notification, and someone else ordered my planner, and I'm not going to cry. I might cry. I'm crying a little bit, but you can't see me. It's okay. And I'm just like so appreciative to both of you for ordering my planner. Thank you. But it literally made my day. So I have made 2 sales on Etsy. Look at me go. Hey, I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. And I just hope that the 75 Holy and Called planner blesses you and y'all love it. So there we go. Okay. The verse of the day is learn to do good, seek justice, rebuke the oppressor, defend the fatherless, and plead for the widow. Okay, yeah, we'll do that. That's fine. Learn to do. Now my nose is all sniffly. Learn to do good. Seek justice. Rebuke the oppressor. Defend the fatherless. I'm not going to fit it all. Plead for the widow. Okay, and that is Isaiah 1:17. So we have good and justice that I need to fill in. Learn to do good, seek justice. Beautiful. Okay. There we go. And then I'm also considering adding to this spread, but I'm not going to know until I get my son signed up for preschool. But either in the top 3 section, well, no, just kidding. So down here in the health section, I would probably stop putting this washi Or maybe I would just use like a little box over here because I do normally have 2 additional boxes each week. But I just want to, like, when my son gets home, like, ask him how his day is and then write what he tells me. Like, what did you learn today? Or what is something new that you did today? Or did you make a friend today? I just think that would be really, really precious to look back on. So that is one thing I would like to add to this planner once my Bubba starts preschool. And I'm probably going to be one of those moms. I'm not really an emotional person, only sometimes. Like, something really has to touch me if I'm going to cry. But I'm probably going to be one of those moms whenever he goes off to preschool and I drop him off and he walks away. I'm probably going to bawl my eye sockets off. That doesn't even make sense. I'm going to bawl my eyeballs out, okay? So I'm going to be one of those, just to warn you. But that is this planner all set up. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like. Consider subscribing if you excuse me. That is this planner all set up. Give it a like if you enjoyed this video. Consider subscribing if you're not already, and I will see you in the next video. I'm gonna get there eventually. Eventually I'm not gonna have any typos in my speaking, okay? My English is gonna, it's gonna come out eventually. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!